Hello, I'm John Richards at Paladin Cloud. Welcome to the Paladin Cloud dashboard, the way to find blind spots in your security. This dashboard is a window into an organization's cloud resources. Those resources, also called assets, are scoped by an asset group. All the results we see here are scoped to our asset group, shown in the top left. For today's example, we're using the AWS group containing 329 assets. At the top are listed the violation severity levels in order of importance: critical, high, medium, and low violations. This lets the user understand the scope of the violations across their asset group. Other important information is also surfaced here, like the number of policies being violated, the number of assets with violations, and how long those vulnerabilities are left open on average. This is a demo environment, so everything says 1 day here. Mature organizations often have SLAs around the turnaround time for a violation based on severity level. For instance, critical violations should be measured in hours, 24 or 48, while medium violations may take a few weeks to remediate. Our compliance categories are broken into 4 groups, and here we can see our compliance percentage with each type. Paladin Cloud has policies around security, cost, operations, and tagging. Security. These policies are around security posture, like denying public access to your assets. Cost policies, those save money, like identifying unused or underused assets. Operation policies are aimed at increasing efficiency, like defining the proper regions for assets to be in. And then tagging. These policies are around tagging your cyber assets, like tracking the usage of your mandatory tags. We also have visibility into our total violation count and get a nice breakdown of the proportion of severity from our different violations. This graph plots the total amount of assets that we have in our environment and charts those over time. Being a demo, we only have a day's worth of data here, but once run over time, this can provide valuable information that you can use to understand the cycle and trends of your asset usage. This is the policy compliance area. Here we get an overview of all the policies, how many violations are tied to each one. This helps to identify where to start when looking to resolve issues. We can easily look at this and see which of our policies are causing the most violations for us. For instance, we can see here this deny public access and default security group is causing 138 critical violations. This is a great place to begin improving our compliance numbers, since this violation makes up over half of our critical policy violations.